Okay, sabihin mo muna, I love you. Miss you. Edi come here. Miss you. Sabihin mo na, Kian. Come here, Kian. Sabihin mo na. Dragon. Cockroach. You say cockroach. Can you say cockroach? You say cockroach, Nene. Kian. Cockroach. Opo, munod ng bababa. You say cockroach first. Cockroach. Baby. You say baby. Baby. Flower. Barney. Monkey. You say monkey, Kian. Monkey. Ikaw, hello ka sa telephone.